Hi, I'm going to show you step by step how to create an image like this using Nanobanana. It's actually very simple. The prompt I'll be using is in the description of this video. Now, let's get into the steps. First, choose a photo where you are facing forward. This is important so Nanobanana can capture your facial features correctly. In this example, I'll be using a photo of someone from Pinterest. Next, select the photo of the artist you want to appear with. Once both photos are uploaded, add this prompt. Create a photo, as if it had been taken with a Polaroid camera. The photo should look like a regular picture without any explicit subject or property. It should have a slight blur and a consistent light source, like a flash in a dark room that spreads across the image. It's very important that the facial features of the people in the photos are not altered in any way, but kept exactly as they are. The background should be white curtains, and the two people from the provided images should appear hugging each other in a friendly way. If you feel the faces don't look similar enough, repeat the process. Usually, 1 out of every 3 images will give you the desired result. And as you can see, the results are amazing. It's almost as if that picture was really taken of you with your favorite artist. The magic here lies in knowing how to write the prompt correctly so the result comes out just the way we imagine it.